Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this time of where you are seeing news of layoffs of 12,000 employees, 18,000 employees, I have got some positive news. And yes, this has been confirmed by good authors and from good articles as well. So there are two companies who are going to do mass hiring. Yes, mass hiring. You heard it very correct and you heard it very right. Right. So there are two companies in for which we are going to discuss in this particular video who are going to do mass hiring. So one of the companies Ericsson. So Ericsson is planning to hire around 2,000 employees in Pune, and it has been reported in Economic Times as well. Right now, what is the reason behind this hiring is Ericsson India will be scaling up its production capacity and operations, and they are also setting up a new technology center in Pune alongside its contract manufacturing partner, right? So hiring will be completed in the next 3 to 4 months. So this is what was stated by one of the telecom gear manufacturer, right? And this particular move is also aimed as they are going to meet the needs of 5G deployment across India with Reliance Jio and Bharti Airtel, right? So this is how they will be hiring approximately 2,000 employees, right? So as of now, we haven't got the career link or where you need to apply the email address where you can send your resumes or CV. But what I would suggest is if you have a good profile on LinkedIn, add some good people who are already working in this company. And also maybe at every 2 to 3 days, keep visiting their websites because you will be able to see the career openings listed over there, right? Now, there is one more company who is going to do mass hiring, which is PepsiCo. PepsiCo is planning to hire approximately 1,200 people. And this was reported by one of its head. And the PepsiCo is going to do this hiring, and they have got a global business center in Hyderabad, right? So mostly, I think it would be related to Hyderabad location only that they would be hiring 1,200 people until unless they have some virtual or remote jobs, right? The plan to increase headcount was also announced by Telangana government, right? It was followed by a meeting between PepsiCo EVP and the minister KT Ramarao on the sidelines of the World Economic Forum, right? So these are the two companies. So one is Ericsson and second is PepsiCo. PepsiCo's Hyderabad center, it also provides critical digital solutions, right? And I think approximately around 2000 in the 2019 year, they had started operations with 250 people, right? But now they are planning to hire 1,200 people, right? So world is not about to end, right? Irrespective of what layoffs are happening, irrespective of what is happening in the market right now. These two companies, and some time back, we also posted a video of TCS who is going to hire 1.25 lakhs of employees. So these three companies are going to do mass hiring. So if you are interested in getting a job in these kind of companies, visit their career pages, visit their LinkedIn profiles, stay up to date, updated with the jobs they are posting, and you will come to know about the job openings over there at a very frequency or at very frequent time intervals, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates.